And so like I was like, oh fuck you. And I come back in and I see him and it's like, okay, boom, I kill him, right? And I mean that game when you get shot, you could be rezzed back up within a certain amount of time by a medic. Carter was a medic. And so it was like, Carter raised him back up, I killed him again. Carter raised him back up, I killed him again. Carter was about to raise him back up, hold up. Reload. Okay, ready. You got banned.
Did you get points for killing him?
No, I got
It was just for fun? Yeah. It was just for fun.
I got banned. I killed him too many times.
But it was so funny.
It was worth it. It was so worth it. Because this guy for like 3 full minutes was stuck there. He couldn't get up, he couldn't get down, he just had to wait.
So you're a griefer, huh?
I was griefing. I was counter-griefing.
Oh, of course.
I wasn't griefing, I was laughing. I was totally enjoying myself.
It was funny, just because, wait, I gotta reload. Okay. Betty, paddles, breathe.
So he's getting points for resin the guy, and I'm getting anti-points basically.
That's great. That's so great.
Shall we hit the
button?
This is serious now.
This is 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Oh!
Hit the button.
Oh. Thank you.
Reset.
Alrighty, I'm screwing it up.
Is it better through the chicane without that lane changer, or is that my minute?
I don't remember.
I think it's better. I think it's better, Jeff. I think it's smoother. There's less unintentional lane changes.
Oh,
Which is better than good.
you didn't go through the frickin'... I'm trying to get through the pits. Didn't work that time. There you go.
Hit the green lantern.
Well, I don't know if you hit the button you or me, but I'll take the penalty on that one.
I'm going to. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Hit the button. And just get a push, and we will not, and just move us along.
Could you...
Can I check?
Oh,
Up,
I'm off the
up.
track now.
Yeah.
I'm still not in the trigger.
He's not
Still
in
not in the track. There you go.
It's moving though. That was
No,
all.
it was just as it got power, it got...
It lurches.
I got stuck in
Got
there.
it.
Yeah.
Okay, ready when you are.
Oh, god damn. Sorry, guys. I know.
Wait, when it happens right in front of you, don't push the button.
Just
Well,
self-marshal.
yeah.
Okay, takes a little getting used to.
And you won't have to do a pit lane, and...
I'm getting tired of coming off the track every time I breathe too hard. I don't know why, I was doing so great when I was practicing.
When you're alone on the track, it won't
Yeah,
be
exactly.
different and everything.
Good, you're laughing all the time.
What is going on here?
What are you doing?
You crashed a couple of times, Bill.
Yes,
And do remember, it's a 10-minute race, so don't... You have a little more time to come back. As I crash and try and come back. Keep it.
I think I should have just pressed the button.
Well, thank you for not, because it keeps a smoother...
Yeah, no, I know.
I did not touch you, did I?
I don't know.
I didn't hear anything, and
I don't think so.
I think you
it's
did.
just me.
Ready? You should take a penalty for that car.
Yeah.
Jesse?
I'm all over the place. I don't know what happened.
If you'd like to clean your tires while under green, you may, as they say.
I think that probably...
I would not do it. I think it's more
That's the
function
logic.
of you would just slow down a test.
Stay on
No,
target. Stay on target.
Okay,
Yeah,
are we ready?
Yep.
Luke, you switched off your targeting computer. What's
I know.
the matter?
I'm okay. R2.
I'm at 10. I'm a wig mom.
Did you guys
I'm a
realize
10.
some
I'm
Ford
a wig
crashing
mom.
into
No,
bike?
you're just
No,
intense.
No, sorry, I'm a TP. That's right, I'm a TP.
Oh, what the heck?
TP Wigwam.
What happened
No,
there?
wigwam.
You got on the gas too. No, not that lane. I was in the. Sorry, he was in this lane,
Okay.
and he jumped over and jumped on me.
Okay.
Was that my
Do you
fault?
want to be
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
or do you
So-
want to be
Put him
here?
after that.
You can put me alongside him even, but don't Yeah, no, it went beep beep, right?
Oh. I didn't
Put
see
it
that.
Put it back here.
Put him back even. Put him back.
Further back.
Put him back on it. There you go.
There you go.
Are we ready?
Alright, Carter, you seem to be coughing a lot.
Oh, I was fine until I ate too many Snickers, perhaps.
You know,
Things got a lot
I did
thicker.
that and my teeth are like throbbing. Oh! Sorry, I don't know what the heck happened there. Crash. Really? Really?
Okay.
Really?
Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know where I am.
And I told my wife she's Captain
There it
Obvious.
is.
I told my wife today, if you look up Captain Obvious in the dictionary, there's a picture of her.
Is he bearded like the guy on TV?
No, that's the most interesting man in the world.
Oh, he's great.
Which, by the way, I actually know a guy who is him. He's really the most interesting man in the world.
Oh wow. Have you seen? There's some other commercial though with the Captain Obvious. I wouldn't stay here if I were you.
Oh yeah, no, yeah.
What was that?
I missed it.
That was you crashing in front of me. I know. I just watched my car go up in the air.
I'm all
That
set.
was me sliding
Here we go.
underneath you. Alright, I gotta get in the other lane. Ah, good. Great.
Oh, thank God. Saved by the...
Now I get to go through twice. You weren't even out.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Ready?
Yeah. The power going off is like pulling on the brake, so you.
Hey, Martin, are you what we might call a ringer?
That was
Yeah, Martin did. I wanted Martin to come to that race, but couldn't contact him.
A ringer, eh?
Oh.
Like the race.
he's pretty much a ringer in whatever he does.
Yeah, it's true.
Especially playing video games.
I gotta get in front of Neil. I see? What did you did?
It cost you a minute.
I don't know why I didn't hit the button earlier.
Up.
Thank you.
Yeah.
There you are now.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Oh, now great. I got down the other stretch.
He is.
Nope. My fault. Sorry.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Oh, almost got me.
Yeah, there are two. That's right.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Ready?
Okay, I was gonna say I put him in that
Oh.
lane versus the other because you could
My
have either
bad.
one. You could have either lane you want, but
Okay.
okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Another good commercial
I
these
don't know if
days.
you
is the
knocked
guy
me
that
out
says,
or if I
"I'm
won
never
out."
getting married."
Oh, that's a great commercial. That commercial's hilarious.
Ready?
Yes.
Commercial I saw recently that just had me in stitches was a Puma parade. I don't know if you've seen it, but they've got this attractive.
Oh
Puma
yeah,
clothing.
yeah.
Oh, oh God, it's hilarious.
Your
Look it up
dogs.
online.
Oh,
Parade.
do you know what I saw that I thought? Now I hate most Geico commercials, but I saw something they did that was just genius. You know how when you watch like a YouTube video and you have a,
I just saw that today. I know
you know
exactly
what I'm
you
talking
said.
about?
Yeah.
It's freaking brilliant.
Yeah.
They have the video, right? It's a family like eating dinner or something like that, and it just shows the logo. And then right about 4 seconds in when you're supposed to, or 5 seconds.
That time you did, yeah.
He's not
I
listening to
hit
me.
you.
Yep. Honest. Basically,
going?
it's a commercial that has, it's a Geico, right? Get a lower coat in 30 minutes or less, 30 minutes or less, whatever, 30 seconds or less. So they have people, yay! And then by the time it takes
kidding,
5
sorry.
seconds for you to click skip, It's done. It says, and it even says, and it's too late for you to miss this message because it's already played.
Well, no, but that's not
Ready?
the funny part though.
I thought
It
so.
stops. What's hilarious is the actors actually freeze in place, but everybody except the dog is frozen. And for the next 30 seconds or so, all the dog does is climb up on the table and go from one person's dish to the next, eating their food. It's mesmerizing, but it's hilarious
I
because.
was skipping.
But you have to watch. You actually have to watch the whole thing because it looks like they somehow managed to freeze the video and just have the dog moving like a green screen. But if you watch closely, the actors, like, they briefly, their eyes flicker, they change their expressions. They're actually like
I'm
doing.
sorry.
So they're just sitting
That was
there.
me.
It's,
Yeah, I know.
it's unbelievable. It goes. It seems to go on forever, and the dog's just climbing over, eating the food. It's mesmerizing. So they make you think the commercial stopped, except for the dog.
You see, what I saw was a different one. Well, it was the same one. The guys
Oh,
jumping in
sad.
the air and they go stop, right?
I don't know. I don't think that may or may not be the same thing, but I think it's the same idea. Because they have another one where there's two guys and a woman in an elevator, and they just freeze, and she just keeps like trying to climb around them, wondering why the heck they're not moving, and she can't get out of the elevator.
Ready?
So the one I saw just it was designed for the people that want to just click skip, so they get 5
Yeah.
seconds of the commercial. So they got their Geico message in the 5 seconds. But right before the 5-second mark, they said, we've already given the message, so it's too late to skip. And that's
You gotta watch. I mean, you really gotta watch the one with the dog. I think as a piece of advertising, it's pure genius.
The poopery was hilarious. You have to cut a loaf, or drop a rope, or
My favorite one is the Jake from State Farm commercial, where the guy's talking to the State Farm agent at night. He's like,
That's the
he's like,
Marion
"Oh, you
Vance
can do that for
commercial,
me,
yeah.
really? I'd like that."
She sounds awful.
She sounds hideous. Well, it's because she's a guy. What are you wearing? Jake from State Farm. Ugh, khakis. It cracks me up every single time I see it.
You do that for me?
Ready?
We both got some
Unintentional.
Unintentional, yes.
No punishment for unintentionals.
Well, he was already. Somebody
I
else was off
screwed up,
anyway.
so I gotta go through the pit.
So he got a free one.
Who wants to be, alone in the
let's go.
pit? Really? Okay, here we go. I see. Okay. Next one.
Oh. You know, Tony, I don't really agree with you on
Kill me right there.
the whole perspective thing. I hate this perspective on the track.
Okay. That was a
Oh!
That was a bump from the back.
That certainly
Who
was a bump from the
Who's
back.
the gold card? Who's
That's
that?
me. You
Thanks,
just
Carter.
stopped.
I didn't. I did?
Bam. And I think, oh, sorry. So,
Ready?
I will deal with that. I will take the.
Talk to my insurance company. I'm sure
Yeah, exactly.
they're going to say it was your fault.
Oh, yeah. They would indeed.
I clearly had the right of way.
Yeah.
You know, I am gonna go ahead and do that.
Yeah.
Ready?
No. You gonna clean your car?
Yeah.
But he's gonna hit the start button.
Oh.
I'm gonna let everybody go. I just
Alright.
as soon do it.
Just gonna say, we can wait a second while you do that.
Oh,
I did
jeez.
not touch you on that one.
Sorry, that was my fault.
I should have taken a look.
I'm not
and
sure
seen
what I
it.
did.
Actually, I don't need to use that.
Well,
you stopped.
I didn't mean to stop, though. I wasn't.
Sometimes if
sit.
you're going fast on the swallows and
Yeah,
you stop,
I do
you
it
just
too,
roll.
Oh.
But I was in a perfect position to knock you out. But I'm usually very good about knocking people out.
Where is everybody? Okay.
I will make that and so will you.
Ready?
I mean, I'll slow down Carter by riding alongside him
Yeah.
and keeping him from sliding out around turns.
That's one of my favorite. Somebody knocked me.
I did.
You, thank you.
Ready?
Yes.
When I'm doing magnet racing, that's one of my favorite moves is to use the other guy to stay on the track. I'm riding your tail, boss.
Nice pass.
Go, 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 go.
Ah.
Go.
What, those fucking bumper cars?
Hey.
You can laugh for a few minutes. Oh, sorry.
I owed him. Oh! My fault. My bad. My due.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
Give me a push, please.
You bet. Anymore?
Okay.
5 seconds left. Here we go.
Ready, ready?
seconds left, really?
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
I did.
Only had a second to go.
How'd I do?
Oh,
I was.
well, I moved
4,
up.
5, 2, 3, 6.
I was third this time.
Wait, what?
Second place.
That was cool. That was really cool.
Yeah, it was a good race. I like 10 minutes.
I did
What
too.
was cool?
A 5-minute or 10-minute race as opposed to a 5-minute race.
Yes, that was
Oh,
cool.
okay.
Does anybody have any idea how I did?
Yes, I'm
You
telling
are
you.
number
You came in
6?
5th.
Oh, I'm 6th.
So
I
you
came in
said
5th,
Six.
which means I
5th,
suck.
yeah.
So, 9, 12 laps.
Sorry.
Just crashing, that's all.
44 laps.
Terrible.
And you did an 11.9 lap this time versus, I mean, you were doing 11.1s in practice, I saw. So
Yeah, I was doing much worse in practice.
I did actually improve that race. Although I thought I was fish tailing. A 10-1?
What's the difference?
Very
What was the
good.
difference between
did I get
first
the
place
win?
and last
Win.
place?
I think it's a 10, right?
Because that was time-wise?
Lap-wise.
Lap-wise?
Yeah,
you were 10-1?
44 laps.
But that's
Yeah,
but
you
got
had
your,
44. I don't know what car
your
you're
car
on.
3.
56. Okay.
So you're down
Position
12.
3.
So,
Alright, I can do better.
so
Oh,
That was my best time.
there you are. There, you're 4th.
you're second.
Yeah.
Martin?
So you're
Yeah.
going to be here,
Your best
Oh, I
time.
see,
I
see.
I got it.
and your lap time was
It's probably about 11.
11.2.
9-5, 9-6.
Bill was 10.1.
No, 0-3.
Why in the world did
Because
Scalextric
Bill,
suck
Martin,
at it?
Martin, you remember when you got the DD
Yeah,
lap?
that's what.
You had to go back and you
Why
lost
in the
your
world
lap
did
time.
Scalextrics go with digital instead of LED?
I'm going to do this.
I just don't get it. The SCX display is so.
This
Is exactly what you need.
liquid crystal or whatever you call it. Yeah, this is so stupid. Like, no one can see it.
Did you ever see like the SCX style display of their digital
I
display?
saw the Carrera
It's
digital.
absolutely awesome. It's got the. It looks like something you'd see at a racetrack.
And there you are. There you are. There you are. There you are. There you
Oh,
are.
sorry. I'm not even thinking. I'm unplugged.
You gonna do another one?
Yeah. Would you like to do another one?
Sure. I got one more left.
Let's just go with that and let's just go.
You want to clean our tires or go?
Clean
Let's
tires.
just go. And sorry.
No.
You want to?
How about
You clean your tires. Well, let's just go. Otherwise, because otherwise it's gonna.
Okay.
You want to clean our tires? Let's clean them.
No,
I'm fine. I have no problem. I'm fine.
that's all right. I don't have to clean my tires.
So, would you like to be?
I don't care. Whatever.
Would you like
Probably
to?
shouldn't keep that roller on its side. Just to keep it from picking up gum.
And here we go. And there. And there. And
One more.
one more.
Who's missing?
His
You. That doesn't seem fair.
What's not fair? You want you?
No, having that guy have to be all the way back there.
Believe believe me.
That's
You
son
won the
of
race
a-
last time.
that's
See, we do
son
it
of a-
opposite. You win the
No,
race.
it's Carter with the
He's a
with
son of a bitch. So he's don't worry about it. He's
It's his
he can
asshole
handle it.
penalty.
It's the guy on the track.
Oh, it's that
Stand
asshole.
there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, are we
Blah,
ready?
blah, blah.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm not.
Oh, anyway, we never reset that thing. So
Wow, it wasn't me this time.
Uh-huh.
Me either. I was behind him. Thankfully, he popped out.
Okay, here we go.
Oh boy. Thank you.
let's give Bill one too, because I don't want to give him the enema of whoops. Because I'm going to be full on the trigger, and here we go.
All right.
Maybe he likes that.
Yeah, well,
Happy ending?
he can get that. He can get the nurse in the outfit to apply it for him, but I will.
Oh! Oh, whatever. For the record, that was unintentional.
Yeah,
Ready?
rats. Yes.
You want me to go through?
No, I did it. Didn't
Okay. Yeah, I didn't think
No,
I
I
did
did.
nothing
I
but stop is really all I did.
would try to do. Yes. I pushed so hard to get past you, I crashed. Okay, that's how I viewed it.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Carter, coming over.
Okay.
How is that?
You give him a slight push,
Generally speaking, on the curves, you have to slow down.
and Bill as well. Oh, we all get it?
Yes,
Does Bill need one?
right here.
Perfect.
I was just letting you know that I had to come over.
I appreciate that. Thank you very, very much. It's
And
a
here
signal.
we go.
And I heard you.
Ready?
And also acknowledge that.
Amusing thing was I wanted to be in the other lane anyway, so it was a.
I know what the thing is. I'm not used to racing with more. Most of my racing for
Of course, it's not like this.
No. For the past like 3 years, has been with just one other person on the track. So I'm not used to racing with 6 people on the with 5. Damn it!
You should see what we do when we're short
That's
of
my
people.
fault.
We put AI cars on.
Oh, I would love to see that. Yes.
Oh, it's a blast.
We could put one on if
What
you
AI car
wanted.
We don't have to do it now, but
We
We
could
got
do-
enough
we could-
problems with
Okay,
this
sorry.
many
let's
cars
just
on the track.
next race. Next
Ready?
race.
Sure. If Neil actually has the guts to leave after this race, we will have to put 2 AI cars on.
Okay, that was my fault.
But I'm hoping that he will be bullied into playing one more.
I don't think so. I'm dead. Okay, ready?
Uh-huh.
Oh,
I had nothing to do with that.
that was me.
And what's
That was all
interesting
me.
too, I chose to look. Is that happened? I chose to
Ready?
look.
Wait,
Yes.
wait, no, hold up.
Oh,
Sorry.
Oh, I'm stuck on the.
Okay, I was trying to point out, on this end of the track,
Yeah.
there's a part where it gives a little bend. It's hard to see from your
Hey,
perspective.
Carter, I need to be in whatever lane so I can get the pit. Is that the right
You're
lane?
in the
The
left.
right-
Yeah, I'm in the
yeah,
right lane.
You're in the
Okay.
right lane.
And
You can.
But this comes over, it bends, goes
Yeah.
straight a little bit, then bends again right where Carter's control.
No, I know. It's
So it's
It's funky.
on the
It's a hard
outside,
road
it's
for
really
me, too.
easy to stack. I mean,
Yeah.
I've done it so many times.
What do you mean by stack?
Crash, sorry, it's just
Crash.
a vernacular used around here.
Okay, ready?
That was driving me crazy every time you said it to him.
I guess I picked it up from motocross when I was a kid.
I don't know.
Where does that come from, stack?
I don't know, it's like probably a surfer stage.
you know, and by the
something.
way,
Yeah.
maybe it's a local colloquialism that we don't
Ready?
even know about. Because to me, it's another one of those words that.
You just accept as known.
Yeah, exactly. We're all local kids, though, so I.
Wasn't there someone else that you said that?
Yeah.
And they were very confused. So that's Could very well be it.
But he took a long time to explain it to me. This was just,
Yeah.
oh, we're just looking for protector. It's like they're nodding their head.
Crap.
Completely understood.
I think we,
I'm killing it now.
I think on a bicycle you stack a lot is what I always remember.
Yeah, maybe that's what good was.
Or skateboarding. I don't know where it exactly came from though.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I don't know what happened there.
Ready?
Yes.
I don't think I went to the tip of this back before, so I'll go through it more. When I crashed.
Oh.
Look.
Least you can do is go through the pits when I press the button.
Please may I have a push.
Thank
Where-
you.
Oh.
Thank you.
Okay, ready.
Oh.
Ah!
Unintentional?
Unintentional.
Oh.
No penalty.
I've already been penalized enough.
Ready?
I'm good. I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah, the pit lane's open, so,
Actually, it's written right now to go straight.
okay.
I don't understand why it doesn't automatically close.
It's supposed to, there is a bump, something. Something is making the car hop. The front wheels are off, tilter a little tiny bit, and therefore
Oh!
your tail end came out on that bump, that rear end, and I just clicked it. Am I, here we go.
Ready.
Fabulous racing, Steve.
Thank you.
Driving.
Thank you. I'm in the perfect lane. Okay, here we go.
Oh! I shouldn't have done that, but I
You
didn't.
got a jump on me too. I was slow on the start. I was, so,
Ready?
yes.
Oh, shit, I
what
saw
the
it. I
heck was
couldn't
that?
get off of it fast enough.
Bouncing off of the metal bar on the thing.
It was, I think he hit the wood.
Yeah, the block.
Okay.
Well, I
So
thought
it was
he
dead
did.
stop. Boom. And it went goes.
I couldn't stop.
I didn't know if you were saying,
Well, I
You want to pull the cord on your
head?
head?
Thinking-
Oh, yeah.
What?
Yeah,
I
that
got
works
it.
good.
Nothing happened.
Oh.
I was incorrect.
Oh, okay.
You're dealing with it.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on a sec. Okay, I'm right there.
Is that all right? What happened there?
I don't
Were
know.
you in this lane when he came out?
Yeah. He was in this lane. I saw it too late. You're just too quick for me.
That's what I see too.
And Bill, if he needs to get on the
Oh, yeah.
gas to be moving, and
Not
I
anymore.
can't find my own car.
You're right there.
Thank you.
Okay, here we go.
You know, Carter, it was a lot easier when I had your car next to mine to like kind of gauge how fast to go. You know what I mean?
Yes, I do know, and you were doing brilliantly. Oh. He slid out. I heard this.
Ooh.
Now, Bill.
Take it out of the controller.
Just step on it, yank it out
Yes,
of your
I
hand.
stepped on that and I picked my hand up and
Is it
Car
plugged in?
still plugged in?
good question.
That's what she said.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go.
My wife has this friend, and her husband, that's all he says. After everything anybody says, that's what she says.
Steve Clare is a big proponent of that one as well. So it's a.
There's a good comeback to that though.
What is
What's
it?
that?
When so like say someone says, "Oh, she moaned like hell." It's like, yeah, that's what she said. Or you get no, but she said it to me. That's when you can turn around some of these things when that's what she said, making himself look big and bad, and go, no, that's what she said to me. And it's like he's talking about his wife and
Yeah.
Did Martin just lose a lap or did he get it? So I don't know.
your window's loose.
I think he's still. He was at -1 last time I looked.
It still is.
Yeah.
So okay, good.
So I didn't get screwed.
Probably not. Then.
Okay. Okay. Ready? Oh, I'm gonna go. Yeah.
Oh.
I was using. Looks like it was Martin's fault for everything.
Came up to an accident and somehow
Okay.
I
Here we go.
I time lapse.
I
Sorry.
was gauging by Martin's bill. I mean, and
Oh,
Notice I
crap,
was driving
cracker, I
along.
did it again.
can I go back over again? Thank you
My
very much.
flux capacitor was out of fuel. Sorry.
Okay, ready. Still have it pretty good.
How do you run out of bananas?
Oh, I'm stuck.
You just have to put it right down in front of me.
Here we go.
I'll try better.
Please. Because since the button wasn't hit, I
Stay
actually
right out
lost.
of your way on that one.
The button wasn't hit, so I lost a lot of distance on that.
Oh!
Sorry about that. Did we take you out?
I
Okay.
fishtailed and he hit me.
Ready.
He popped out, I didn't.
Legally, I think it's my fault.
Legally.
You want in or out?
I'm gonna go in there.
Okay,
Oh, you really want to go in there?
ready?
No.
Oh, yeah, you got it.
Okay, ready.
That sounded painful.
Red car. Put red car back a bit, and or put him all the way back to so he gets the lap, so that he definitely didn't get it.
This?
Yes.
Okay.
And
Are we ready? Here we go. There we go.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't.
Hey, I've done it to you, what, 3 times?
that was good racing there, Martin. And
I'll
I'm
try
full
it
on
out.
the gas.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Oh, you okay now?
I'm full on the gas, so we'll see how. Okay.
Okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
You want to leave it like that?
You can give me a push. That'll be fine. Thank you very much.
Okay. Here we go.
Either you made it take me out again.
Oh, Ron, you're so fast.
My bad.
You're not
I'll go
over
right,
the
I'll go
line.
right.
Technically a millimeter before the line.
Oh!
Put him back a minute or two. Yeah, perfect. Just that far is all he needs. Just
Yeah.
he'll get both the sensors over the.
Okay.
2:30 to go. 2:33, and away we go.
flats.
Yeah, mine's the pits.
Well, tomorrow it's the wrinkles. Ready?
Yes.
Oh, I'm stuck. Thanks for. I should have hit the button. Sorry.
That's fine. I'd like to keep things.
You know, if it
flowing,
doesn't come off the track, my brain
Can you
doesn't
put me
register
on the link
the
I
button.
stacked?
You know what I mean?
Thank you.
I do. I know
Alright,
exactly.
here we go.
Yes.
Oh.
I'm trying to be situationally aware.
You shouldn't have to get my car
I'm
wet.
gonna put you
Try
near
to
the lane,
drive.
Bill.
That's
Just
fine.
to, here we go.
Ready?
Yeah. Because between Bill.
Oh!
Allowed me to cause that.
What goes where?
Just put it in
Doesn't
front.
matter.
Put it in
Yes,
front.
thank you very much.
Yeah, put it next to me.
Perfect.
Okay. Ready?
Oh, I'm stuck.
That was Carter.
Hang on a sec. I'm gonna put myself in the lap. In the.
You wanna be in the
You know what I mean? That pit thing.
I want to be in the.
Don't go
Yeah,
back.
yeah,
See, he wasn't affected, but we stacked and figured put him ahead of us.
fair enough. I just want to go to the pits.
Okay, then you're in the right
I'm
line.
in the right line.
Am I in there?
You're in?
Alright.
Let's give some distance between us so there's no
Well
collisions.
done.
Exactly.
You were fishtailing a bit there, though. It's unusual.
Here we go.
Ready?
Ow.
Are tires dirty?
I stopped on the frickin'.
gotcha.
Every time.
Change it.
Every time.
And okay.
And I'm going to say yes, they are.
So we're ready.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Ready?
Yeah, I know. Thank you for not just hitting the button and going.
You got it.
Okay.
Here we go again.
Tires are getting fatigued.
Yeah, I just felt this big power down myself.
Yes.
I
Whoa.
know, I
Oh!
was sliding around that corner.
Okay, Martin once again lost his lap on that one.
Did you? Thank you.
Not in the pits.
Oh, nice.
That was
job,
accidental.
Martin. No, got it.
He doesn't
Oh.
want to be in the pits.
Sorry.
I'm not. That was accidental hitting. Should be it. There we go.
Okay.
Just wanted to be clear.
Are we ready?
No. Where am I? Oh.
Okay.
Yes.
Blending into your shirt, Martin.
Ready?
Oh God, I'm looking at yours. That was weird.
I figured you'd be catching up soon, Carter.
I didn't want to do that. That happened.
What did you do wrong?
I screwed up.
Oh!
Did I cause that?
I don't know. I think I closed it because I
No,
changed
that was
lanes right in
you.
front of
In
you.
front of me, and
I'll take
I
the
I
blame.
tried to know if I hit something with my shirt.
I'll take the blame for that one. I kind of knew it was going to happen when I did it.
Okay.
I'm approaching,
Yes.
so you are oncoming traffic.
I
so
see exactly.
merge, please.
I am not going to spoil
You need to
this.
put a little sign, verging traffic. on
Here
it.
we go.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, where is my button? There it is.
And I'm
Jesus.
right on the lane changer there, Carter. Wow. I stopped there.
yeah.
You stop over there.
Okay.
Weird.
Here we go.
And into the pits we go. One more
There's
time.
drag going on.
We're just gonna drag
Yeah, something slowed down.
on these in here.
No, I'll keep an eye on it.
Okay.
Ready?
And now it seems to be gone. Maybe it was in the lane with the location.
I flipped your braids.
Okay, ready?
took my chances. Either wait for you
Looks
into
like I
that turn.
took you out, Bill.
Yeah.
Took your chances of what?
Either I got ahead of him or I got behind him on that turn.
Ready?
But I should have stood. Well, Steve got that lap, so it's good.
Yeah, I just
4,
got
5, 2, 6, 3. It's,
I knew that was gonna
Does that mean I came in third place?
yes, it does, and it also means you got no.
No.
You came in fifth
You
place.
came in fifth place.
You in fifth place, but you also came. No. You came in fourth place.
How did I?
You're number 6. You're on the thing, and number you came in. You came
I
in.
was last.
You were yes. You
Wait,
were.
what?
He
I'm
was
number
fourth.
6.
So your car.
Yeah, I was
Your
third.
car 6 in fourth place. You gained 4 laps. You only did 48 laps this time instead of 44. So you did much.
Let me ask you a question. Yes. Because I don't understand. Why are there only 5 places on that display?
You count us.
Oh, right.
It's 1 per car.
Why are you saying I'm number 6?
Is the number in
See
front of
the
you?
number in front of you?
Oh, that's God. It's
Blue
confusing.
controller's number 6.
Yeah.
Because they
Ah.
don't list you as like
Understood.
what's your position in the 6th line. They put you in the 6th place, and you'll see yourself there.
You'll always be in that.
What number you
you'll
are
always
is
be
on the
number
far
6.
right.
Right.
And
It's a little
so
shady.
your best time was 10:09 this time instead of 11:09.
I got a
Picked up
10-0,
you gained
Mark
a
got
second.
10-1.
Okay, wait. I don't know why this is so confusing. Okay, explain this to me again about the 6 and what position. Like, how does this thing work?
First place was 4,
Okay,
second
see
place
this?
is 5. third
Oh, I
place
see.
is
So I
2,
was in 4th place.
Fourth place is 6.
So
fifth
that-
place is
how many
3rd.
So
laps
that's
did I
the
do,
it moves. You move position depending, like during the race.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5
Yeah, no, I get it.
in the race, and this is what number you
What
are.
number you are? I got it.
So anything that comes up past this is going to be on. You're going to be on number 4.
So you did
Oh,
48
So
laps.
you're going to read the
Right.
4th line all the way.
So once I know, yeah.
So you did
Yeah,
10:09.12.
I had a 10-0. Mark
Oh
had
wow,
10-1.
10-9. How do you like that?
That's what I'm saying. You gained a whole second
Yeah.
from the last.
How
Oh,
many
it's a
lap.
lot better than Look at that.
How many?
How many laps did I lose?
All right, Jesus, that thing is driving me crazy. Okay.
3, I'd say.
And how far behind you was I?
You're 4 laps behind.
Okay. So I was we were on the same.
You were 1 lap behind for a really long time, and I was 2. And I know
It was a good race
I
though.
lost a couple of laps, and then I screwed up.
A little better.
That was actually very, very fun. The 10-minute. Hang on. There you go.
It gives you more of a chance to catch up if you fell behind.
Hey Carter,
Yes.
I don't know who's staying, but I was thinking, what about any interest in doing a race to the finish, lapped race instead of timed race?
Sure. Give me a lap. Ooh.
I need to sit down for
Yeah,
I need to sit down for a
absolutely.
few minutes, but
We all do.
yeah.
And let's do that, but you'd rather do 25 laps versus
Well, whatever number of laps you want to do is
50
fine.
laps or